So in this video, I am going to share with you all the full timetable which is going to help you in preparing for Karnataka TET 2025 in 45 days. And you shouldn't say that, madam, this is a strict timetable, because if you really want to qualify TET this time, then you have to blindly follow our timetable. And believe me, yes, it is possible for you to follow this timetable. Only thing is, you should have a strong feeling that you are going to crack TET this time, and you need to go in the zone of the timetable and just live your life with this timetable for the next 45 days. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. Friends, I am back with the most awaited 45-day plan for the upcoming Karnataka TET 2025. As we all know, the notification is out now in the website. You can see they have also released the syllabus. We have made the videos based on the notification and all the detailed syllabus also. You can go and check out in this channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. And if you have not subscribed till now, please subscribe right now, because you will get all the updates related to Karnataka TET in this channel, and you will also get very good classes based on maths, science, CDP and many other classes depending upon the request from the aspirants. Okay. Now, as we already discussed in our previous video, the syllabus of Karnataka TET 2025 is same as that of 2024. But this time the challenge is more bigger, because we have now just got 45 days before the exam. Because as you all know, the exam is going to be conducted on 7th December 2025 and registrations, that is online applications, will start from 23rd October. Okay. So we will have to make every single day count, and we will have to prepare smartly within this short time, because TET is extremely important this time, especially because the TET qualification is mandatory for GPSTR and CRISE recruitments. As we have promised to our paid class aspirants, we are coming up with the intensive preparation classes which will be based on new syllabus. Now these intensive preparation classes are going to start from 22nd October, and we are going to give classes every day, because this time TET qualification is very important for us and we need it badly, because the minister has already announced that after TET the recruitment process of GPSTR and HSTR is going to start, also for CRISE also. Okay, so that's why TET is a golden chance for us, and that's why we also don't want to take any risk. We want to help aspirants as much as possible, and we don't want to leave any stone unturned this time. So that's why we have made a very strict timetable now. Now before I start the discussion of this timetable, I want to give you one important tip, that if you are our paid class aspirant who has taken our paid course before few months, then I am sure that you have already completed watching the regular classes and revision classes. For such aspirants, this timetable is a gift, you can say, at this point of time. Okay. But aspirants who have not taken our course seriously, and if you have not watched our regular classes and previous year question paper revision classes, for them I am giving you the timetable including all the topics which are present in entire of our course. Actually, in our course we have regular classes which will be based on the old syllabus, but they will help you understand the new syllabus. Such classes are around 40 classes are there. Then we have around 12 classes which are based on a 2022 question paper, which were the revision classes, and based on 2023 also we have around 10 classes. We have maths and science pedagogy classes. Then we are now planning for intensive preparation classes, which will be, I think, more than 35. That is the tentative plan we have made now. Okay. Now, if you have not watched our regular classes, then you will have to include everything in the timetable. Okay. Now, as per our timetable, you need to make up your mind, and you need to follow this thing strictly. Only then you will utilize our course to the maximum extent, and we will assure you that you will qualify TET this time if you follow our timetable strictly. Okay. So from October 22nd, first class which we are going to send you is the intensive preparation class from physics. Okay. See, IP means intensive preparation class, which will be based on new syllabus. Okay. Now we are planning to give you more than 35 classes based on new syllabus only. Okay. So on 22nd October, you will start with the probability light chapters, the classes you have to watch, and then you watch the intensive preparation class. Okay. Timing and all we will mention it to you in your Telegram group. Okay. Now, if you have already watched our regular classes, you have to just watch the intensive preparation class, and then you can see other things which you have not done. Maybe worksheets are there, or you can go for the question banks, science question bank, and all that is there. Of course, we have included all that in this timetable, and we have made this timetable keeping in mind that some aspirants may have not watched our regular classes and old revision classes, and some aspirants may have taken our course recently only. So keeping everything in mind, we are making this timetable. You can change this timetable as per your requirement. Okay. But only thing is that you have to change the topics. Don't change the dates. Okay. You have to keep the dates as it is. You can change the topics as per your wish and as per your requirement, depending upon your preparation. Okay. How much you have done, you know better than us, right? Okay. Then moving to next day, 23rd October. You should prepare for electricity identities chapter, and then we will give you intensive preparation class from physics. This will be the second class. Then next day we will give you third class of intensive preparation based on physics only. Then again on 25th October, we will not give you intensive preparation class this day because we want you to watch optics free classes that day. Okay. This way we have planned. So this is also going to be our tentative plan for the next 45 days. So you will get mails. Daily you will get mails. Okay. You have to watch the classes from there. Then again on 26th October, we will start with the biology intensive preparation class. Along with that, you have to watch the revision classes based on 2022. And then you should start with the science question bank. We already told you about this. We have more than 1000 multiple choice questions in that question bank based on new syllabus, and we have made it by ourselves, especially for TET aspirants. Okay. Then again on 27th October, we will give you second class on biology. Now here you should also start with the CDP. Go for notes and question bank both, because see, CDP, language 1 and language 2 are the scoring subjects for you now, because science though they have given you new syllabus, maths though tough questions were there. So if you follow our course strictly, it will become easy for you from science and maths perspective. But if some aspirants are weak in maths and science, better you give more importance for CDP and language 1 and language 2 also. Okay. Anyway, it is good to give importance for everything, because every mark will count now. Because if you want to qualify, then you should not leave any chance at all. Okay. Anyway, going to 28th October, we will give you third biology class from intensive preparation part. Then again going to 29th October, here we will give you some free classes, and you will also have to watch magnetism and quadratic equations. Like that only we have made timetable. We will post this timetable in your Telegram group. Also, we will post this timetable in the Telegram channel also, where aspirants who have not taken our course, even they will be getting help from this timetable. See, aspirants who have not taken our course, the way you have to prepare is follow this timetable only. Wherever we have written this intensive preparation class, no, there you add your PUC syllabus. Okay. Rest for all the other topics, you can use high school textbooks. But wherever we have written IP class, that is intensive preparation class, there you use your PUC textbooks and you can prepare there. Okay. So this way you can go through this timetable. We have written everything clearly in this timetable. Then from 10th November, we will start maths intensive preparation classes. We are going to give you many maths intensive preparation classes, because this time, even though they have not given tough syllabus in mathematics, they have given tough questions in 2024. So that's why we don't want to take risk this time. Okay. This time we have planned for a very good formula sheet on mathematics, and also we have planned a few tricks classes for based on mathematics tricks. Okay, so that should help you a lot this time. So just to go on with the timetable, and you have to strictly follow this timetable. On weekly basis also we will be sending you the timetable. Okay, so that should help you all. So aspirants, whether you have taken our course or you have not taken our course, that is not a matter here. The matter is that you should qualify TET this time at any cost. Okay, so aspirants who are from our paid course, then you should follow us strictly. You should be checking your mail regularly daily from 22nd October, and you should be active in your Telegram group. Okay, and aspirants who have not taken our course, you should follow our Telegram channel and our YouTube channel closely. You will find many free classes in our YouTube channel. It is upon you how you will search and how you will utilize our free classes. It is upon you. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask us in the Telegram group. You will get the link in the description below this video. You can also write a mail, but please don't write in WhatsApp, because we will not be able to answer each and everyone personally. If you write in group or in mail, it will help you only to some extent. Okay, unless and until you have a genuine doubt, don't write in WhatsApp message. Okay, rest, if you have any doubt, you can also write in the comment section below this video. Okay, so start preparing right now. This is the high time for you all to prepare. And remember, we are with you till your exam date. Okay, thank you, all the best, bye.